What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day with the Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series where we pick cool Rustoleum colors, we shoot crazy new pearls and flakes over top, and then we decide, do we love it, do we hate it? 1, we don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing we've ever seen, and you guys can rate it anywhere in between. Today the colors we're using are Thundercloud Gray and a nice ginger yellow. And hey, what goes better over yellow than gold, right? Maybe, I don't know, but we're using a golden Colorshift pearl. It's a really popular pearl. I've used it over a lot of darker colors, but today I picked 2 lighter colors, so we're going to change it up. I got my fender behind me. It's all prepped up and ready. We're going to two-tone it, half yellow, half gray, and then we're going to shoot a golden Colorshift pearl and see if we can't get this thing to really pop out in the sun today. So let's get into today's video. Alright guys, and now we got our yellow and gray laid down. This thing looks like an egg that just cracked. But yeah. Man, guys, I'm putting a solid pearl over this today, so I'm really kind of taking a chance. I just really wanted to go outside the box and just see. I mean, I know a lot of people have wanted to see yellow with like a gold pearl over top, and I did on a past episode, but this one's a color shift, and this is probably one of the most vivid color shifts we've done on this channel. If you've seen the midnight flip and all that, this is the same pearl. So I am using my Speedo Coat Clear today, 4-to-1, 4 parts clear, 1 part activator. I'm using medium temp because it's 70 degrees out. It's a really nice sunny day, so I should be able to get you guys some good footage. But I'm gonna put 1 ounce in the test clear, and there we go. If you guys want to buy any clear pearls, any paint gun, anything you see me use on the channel, links in the description. As seen on YouTube, takes you to my Amazon page. You can purchase everything there. It goes to support the channel. We get a small kickback, but it doesn't cost you guys anything extra, and you get all the benefits of Amazon, including Prime. Anyways, guys, this is a 5-gram bottle. Obviously, I've used it on a couple of other spray outs. I'm just going to spritz some in the mix. I don't have a particular load I want to do with it. Probably a little bit on the heavier side, just simply because I want to see wild and crazy today over this, and I don't know. It's just what I'm feeling up to, guys. You just get that feeling some days. But I'm going to get this mixed up really quick, and I'll bring you in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so this is the mix. I'm sure if you've been following the channel for any length of time, you're no stranger to the golden Colorshift pearl. It shifts from bronze to pinks to gold to a little bit of everything, and you really never know with this pearl until you actually get it on the panel, which is what we're about to do now. So let's load up our paint gun, let's get to spraying and see if we can't come up with a crazy new color combination. Alright guys, so I got my golden Colorshift loaded up in the old V-bore gun. 1.4 tip, I shoot a 28 PSI wide open trigger if you want to replicate my settings. Keep your pearls agitated in the mix, you don't want them to clump. First coat, you always want to go light just to make sure you don't get no reactions between the clear and the Rustoleum. And then we'll probably do another coat or two till we get the desired effect. Then we'll take it out in the sun and see what we got. So let's put my mask on and let's get spraying. guys, so that's the spray out today. Thundercloud gray and a gloss yellow with a really cool golden color shift pearl. Man, I think it's a really cool effect. It's a lot different than when you put it over darker colors, seeing it over these lighter colors. But nonetheless, I still love this pearl. It's a really cool one. But ultimately, it ain't up to me, guys. It's up to you. Y'all guys rate it. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And you want to use it on your next spray out. And if you decide you do want to use it on your next spray out, click the link below as seen on YouTube. And you can pick up the pearl in the little set there. And hey, support the channel. But I had a lot of fun with you guys today. I really enjoyed doing these spray outs. It was really cool. And hey, it's always fun hanging out, right? But until next time, guys, I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you like, share, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless. And I'll see you guys on the next spray out.